Good Monday morning, YouTube. Back from the world of concrete, back here at world headquarters working on the buggy. So gonna get this thing put back together today. What we were waiting on was this part here. What this does is goes through the brake lining like that with a spring on it. It's what holds our band over the hydraulic drive there. Holds that linkage on. You can see that's hanging, makes everything stop. So went to adjust that. This side adjusted fine. The other side that broke, the problem was obviously I had concrete in the threads, and when I went to tighten it, it snapped off the bolt. So got one of those ordered. It came in. So right now, guys, I'm gonna get this thing put back together, and plan is I'm gonna get that outside, gonna get this stuff outside, get it power washed, try and move the snowplow back a little bit, get the skid steer there, and get the other enclosed trailer in here so I can wash that and go through that. That is the last trailer I have to go through, and then just got to get the Freightliner in here, give that its service, and I will finally have everything serviced up for the year. Stay tuned, guys. All right, everybody, it is Monday afternoon. Got the buggy all put back together. We got this thing outside, got it all power washed. It is like 20 degrees outside and freezing. Got the two saws all power washed. Got the soft cut all put back together. Got that power washed. So next order of business now is I'm going to get the big trailer in here. I gotta fire up the cats, push that in, and I'm gonna work on getting all the tools out of that, go through everything that's in there, get that organized, get that thing washed and waxed for the year. Hopefully by the end of the week we'll have the Freightliner in here, go through that, and finally be through all the equipment for the year. Stay tuned, everybody. Hey everybody, it is Monday afternoon. Got the big trailer in here, trying to let this thing thaw out a little bit. My plan for tomorrow, if all goes well, I've got a little job to look at in the morning, and then I'm gonna start emptying this thing out, getting her cleaned out, make sure everything is working, getting everything squared away. Got to make sure we're all stocked up with everything for springtime. Just try and get everything squared away. I've given you guys a tour of this trailer before. One of our other videos has it in there if you want to see how the trailer's all set up. So that's kind of the plan for tomorrow. I'm gonna hopefully try and get the inside of this thing all done, and then I've got to check out the tires and the wheel bearings, get everything greased, check out my springs underneath. I've got to replace a couple of rubbers on the doors where these handles hit. We've got to go from there. I want to get this thing washed, waxed, get her all ready to go. Then we'll get the Freightliner in here. Here's some words to live by. So that's pretty much the Monday recap, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, and we'll get on this trailer and try and actually get some work done. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's Tuesday. Just got back from looking at a job. Started cleaning out the trailer. Got all the finishing tools scraped off, cleaned, painted up. Started taking stuff off the shelves in here, trying to go through it a little bit, making sure we're fully stocked up. I'm just doing one shelf at a time. So we got the top shelf ready for the finishing tools to go back. In here I've got to take down these buckets and just working shelf by shelf, and then we'll clean up all the hand tools and everything, restock everything, and hopefully between today and tomorrow I can get this trailer all done and we'll get the Freightliner in here and start on that. So I'm just gonna keep plugging away on this trailer, guys. Stay tuned. I went and did a little grinding job this morning. We'll see how that goes, if we get that one or not. Floor is pretty rough, so we'll see. But in the meantime, keep plugging away on the trailer. Good Wednesday afternoon, YouTube. Give you guys a little update on where I'm at with getting the big trailer fixed. Got it all washed this morning. I've got the wax on it. I'm gonna let that dry overnight. Greased up all the bearings, got everything put back in there except the buggy. Noticed I've got a nail in the sidewall of this tire. Tire's pretty worn out, so I got to take that one in. I'm gonna pull it off, take it in, get a new tire put on. And over on the passenger side here, or excuse me, the driver's side, I guess it would be, the tire's pretty wore down. Take you guys over there. This one is pretty bad. It's got some flat spots in it. I know it's hard to see, so I'm going to pop that one off as well. Go get 2 new tires for this thing. So we pull this trailer every day, as you guys see in the summertime. So I've got to do that, and I've just got to hook my truck up to it to double check the lights. Then we'll throw the buggy back in there, get this thing outside, get the dump truck in here. This thing will be good to go. So I'm going to work on popping these tires off quick, and probably run those in tomorrow morning to get them redone, and then this thing will be done. I have a little donation countertop I'm gonna do for a local, I believe it's the American Legion or VFW, pretty sure it's an American Legion. It's just a little kind of donation thing I'm doing. I'm a veteran, so I'm gonna help out the veterans. So stay tuned for that in an upcoming video. But just gonna keep plugging away on this stuff. Thanks, everybody. Good Thursday afternoon, YouTube. Give you guys a little update. The big trailer is finally done. Got all the wax off it today. Got 2 new tires put on it. Brand new one here. This one had a nail in it. Same thing on the other side. It was wore right down. So I want to show you guys something. Check this out. Look at the vinyl deteriorating on this whole side. Like, I mean, it's flaking right off. Now this trailer, the back of it, not flaking off. This entire side looks perfect. All done the same day, the same time. This side of the front, perfect. This side over here, completely destroyed. That far apart. I was thinking maybe it was the sun. This side that's deteriorating always faces the west in the parking lot, but all summer long, every single day, this trailer doesn't sit here. Usually it's out on the job site, or if it does, it's sitting here at night when we get back. So I don't know if somehow that's still causing it, or if you know, maybe the guy used different vinyl on half of the trailer. Like I said, it was all done at the same time, but really weird that the back, the other side, and half of the front is good, and this side is just, I mean, completely failing. So we're gonna run it one more year like this. The trailer's getting a little older, got some other issues, so we'll see how it goes, but nothing I'm gonna worry about right now. So Plan now is I'm gonna get the trailer out of here and I'm gonna get the Freightliner in here and we will start on that. I've got to run out and check on another job, potential for spring, and probably tomorrow we'll start on the Freightliner. Stay tuned, everybody. We appreciate it. Spring is just around the corner. We've got a lot of work coming, some big announcements coming, so stay tuned. We appreciate it. Good Saturday morning, YouTube. Here at World Headquarters, Jason from Intricate Concrete. Finally got the big trailer out. We got the Freightliner inside. Let it kind of dry out, thaw out last night. I'm gonna work on getting the interior cleaned out today, and then I bought this RAM mount. It's a cell phone mount. I've got to figure out where I'm going to put that thing inside because we have obviously a hands-free driving law here in Michigan. So got to figure out where I can mount this thing, if I'm going to mount it up on the dash or mount it down in this area. Not really sure yet. Got to kind of get in there, see where it's going to work out the best. So the plan for this week is I'm going to try and get all the fluids and filters for the truck over here. Got to finish getting the inside cleaned out. This thing obviously has to get all power washed and waxed once the service is done. And I'm also going to go pick up some countertop supplies. I've got a countertop I'm doing for a local American Legion or VFW. I don't remember which, but it's a little donation deal. So we'll be making a countertop here in the next video or two. For now, I'm going to get to work on this truck. Stay tuned, everybody. The weather is cold out, snowing out. But in another month and a half, 2 months, we'll be back on the grind, hopefully. Thanks, everybody.